Hello, this is Tom Sillis, CEO of wetcrow.com, W-E-T-C-R-O-W, wetcrow.com. The title of this video is Essential Vacuum Jobs USA. Again, what I want to say is we basically provide service for, predefined services that are pre-priced, and the customer pays for that, and then they book the service and it gets done. So this is going to be an experiment with central vacuum. Usually on those kind of things we would do in lead generation, but we don't want to try to get away from that. We're trying to just do predefined services. The customer sees the service, they book it. Here's the cost for the size house, set price, and then they see the appointments, they pick the appointment, and we do it. We tell them it's going to be a 2-day job or 1-day job, as the case may be. Well, if you guys are registered with us, we are going to reach out to you to set you up. If if you've been getting leads, there's a few that have been, and that's going to be all over the country. We don't know how well it's going to go yet, but people are searching for it on our site, so we know we're getting at least probably 100 searches a day. Now, whether those convert into sales, I don't know yet, and we're expanding a lot more now as more people are finding out about us. So, like I said, please subscribe to our channel. Please like this video, and we're going to reach out to you if you're registered. If you're not registered, please register for that offer. When you go to become service provider, pick Central Vacuum Cleaning installs, and we'll get in touch with you and get you set up. Make sure you have the correct phone number, and make sure you put in on the offer the area you serve, the city you do the most business in, or the area you want to do the most business. And these are going to be better homes, so make sure you pick areas where there's money. Otherwise, you won't make as much money. So I don't think you're going to be going to low income areas anyway. So I don't think they're going to be buying central vacs anytime soon. But you never know. We always get stumped with that. So wish you the best. Like I said, subscribe to our channel, like the video. We'll get in touch with you. If you're not registered, register. Set it up, because we're going to go gangbusters very soon. We're going to be advertising, and we're going to be all over the place. We're going to scale up to a $200 billion company within the year. So be ready for it. Okay, have a good night, and we'll talk to you again. Thank you.